Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Dose. Today's lesson is about common and advanced diseases and sicknesses. This lesson will help you describe your health, talk to a doctor, and understand medical conversations in English. Relax, focus, and remember. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. 1. Fever. Repeat. Fever. Again. Fever. I have a fever. 2. Cold. Repeat. Cold. Again. Cold. I caught a cold. 3. Flu. Repeat. Flu. Again. Flu. I have the flu. 4. Cough. Repeat. Cough. Again. Cough. I have a dry cough. 5. Sore throat. Repeat. Sore throat. Again. Sore throat. My throat is sore. 6. Headache. Repeat. Headache. Again. Headache. I have a headache. 7. Stomachache. Repeat. Stomachache. Again. Stomachache. My stomach hurts. 8. Back pain. Repeat. Back pain. Again. Back pain. I have back pain. 9. Toothache. Repeat. Toothache. Again. Toothache. I have a toothache. 10. Allergy. Repeat. Allergy. Again. Allergy. I have a dust allergy. 11. Infection. Repeat. Infection. Again. Infection. I have an infection. 12. Diarrhea. Repeat. Diarrhea. Again. Diarrhea. I have diarrhea. 13. Nausea. Repeat. Nausea. Again. Nausea. I feel nauseous. 14. Vomiting. Repeat. Vomiting. Again. Vomiting. I have been vomiting. 15. Dizziness. Repeat. Dizziness. Again. Dizziness. I feel dizzy. 16. Body ache. Repeat. Body ache. Again. Body ache. My whole body aches. 17. Fatigue. Repeat. Fatigue. Again. Fatigue. I feel constant fatigue. 18. Weakness. Repeat. Weakness. Again. Weakness. I feel weakness in my legs. 19. Skin rash. Repeat. Skin rash. Again. Skin rash. I have a skin rash. 20. Swelling. Repeat. Swelling. Again. Swelling. There is swelling in my foot. Now let's move to slightly difficult and advanced health vocabulary. Stay calm, stay focused, and repeat. 21. Migraine. Repeat, migraine. Again, migraine. I suffer from migraines. 22. Asthma. Repeat, asthma. Again, asthma. She has asthma. 23. Bronchitis. Repeat, bronchitis. Again, bronchitis. He was diagnosed with bronchitis. 24. Pneumonia. Repeat, pneumonia. Again, pneumonia. She's recovering from pneumonia. 25. High blood pressure. Repeat, high blood pressure. Again, high blood pressure. He has high blood pressure. 26. Diabetes. Repeat, diabetes. Answer, diabetes. My father has diabetes. 27. Arthritis. Repeat, arthritis. Again, arthritis. She has arthritis in her knees. 28. Ulcer. Repeat, ulcer. Again, ulcer. He has a stomach ulcer. 29. Anemia. Repeat, anemia. Again, anemia. She's suffering from anemia. 30. Dehydration. Repeat, dehydration. Again, dehydration. The patient has dehydration. 31. Food poisoning. Repeat, food poisoning. Again, food poisoning. I got food poisoning. 32. Heat stroke. Repeat, heat stroke. Again, heat stroke. He fainted due to heat stroke. 33. Insomnia. Repeat, insomnia. Again, insomnia. I have insomnia. 34. Depression. Repeat, depression. Again, depression. She's dealing with depression. 35. Anxiety disorder. Repeat, anxiety disorder. Again, anxiety disorder. He has an anxiety disorder. 36. Chest pain. Repeat, chest pain. Again, chest pain. I feel chest pain. 37. Shortness of breath. Repeat, shortness of breath. Again, shortness of breath. I have shortness of breath. 38. Heart disease. Repeat, heart disease. Again, heart disease. He has heart disease. 39. Liver problem. Repeat, liver problem. Again, liver problem. She has a liver problem. 40. Kidney infection. Repeat, kidney infection. Again, kidney infection. He has a kidney infection. 41. Viral infection. Repeat, viral infection. Again, viral infection. It is a viral infection. 42. Bacterial infection. Repeat, bacterial infection. Again, bacterial infection. It is a bacterial infection. 43. Chronic pain. Repeat, chronic pain. Again, chronic pain. She lives with chronic pain. 44. immune disorder. Repeat, immune disorder. Again, immune disorder. He has an immune disorder. 45. Sleep disorder. Repeat, sleep disorder. Again, sleep disorder. She has a sleep disorder. 46. Hormonal imbalance. Repeat, hormonal imbalance. Again, hormonal imbalance. He has a hormonal imbalance. 47. Vision problem. Repeat, vision problem. Again, vision problem. I have a vision problem. 48. Hearing loss. Repeat, hearing loss. Again, hearing loss. He suffers from hearing loss. 49. Memory loss. Repeat, memory loss. Again, memory loss. She experiences memory loss. 50. Autoimmune disease. Repeat, autoimmune disease. Again, autoimmune disease. He has an autoimmune disease. You did an excellent job. If you listened and repeated, you're training your brain and pronunciation. Small task for you. Write any 2 diseases from today's lesson and make 1 sentence for each in the comments. 51. Alzheimer's disease. Repeat, Alzheimer's disease. Again, Alzheimer's disease. He is suffering from Alzheimer's disease. 52. Appendicitis. Repeat, appendicitis. Again, appendicitis. She was rushed to the hospital with appendicitis. 53. Tuberculosis. Repeat, tuberculosis. Again, tuberculosis. He is being treated for tuberculosis. 54. Hepatitis. Repeat, hepatitis. Again, hepatitis. She has hepatitis. 55. Malaria. Repeat, malaria. Again, malaria. He got malaria. 56. Dengue fever. Repeat, dengue fever. Again, dengue fever. She was diagnosed with dengue fever. 57. Typhoid. Repeat, typhoid. Again, typhoid. He is recovering from typhoid. 58. Cholera. Repeat, cholera. Again, cholera. Cholera spreads through contaminated water. 59. Measles. Repeat, measles. Again, measles. The child has measles. 60. Mumps. Repeat, mumps. Again, mumps. He had mumps as a child. Great work. These words are advanced, but very useful for real-life English and academic understanding. Quick practice task. Say this sentence aloud and replace the disease name. I know someone who has ... If this lesson helped you, like, subscribe, and listen again for better fluency. See you in the next episode of Daily English Dose.